You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Oh yeah, we drove 14. Oh yeah. Yeah. Y'all ain't got extra battery on you, do you? That didn't make no sense. I used the whole car. I forgot. It'd be alright though. How's it going, man? What you running here, man?
I got 10 of the Wolfram AUV3s on 5 of the Wolfram 9Ks.
Yes, sir.
0.5 on each amp.
Got a lot over there.
Shut that. She don't like to breathe that much. I wish.
Put this in front of the door.
Yeah.
Thank y'all for coming out tonight. Let's show them what Team Hurts feelings about. DJ BASSWITHKEV. Drop that fucking.
I gave you the sauce.
Man, I appreciate it, man.
Oh yeah. Well, when he's the builder, he calls me, he goes, man, they're at your truck. Basically, I said, I'm coming right now. I was at Sky High on the other side. I just turned, I was like,
figured you was all the way up on
I'm coming right now. I ran through the middle of it, had a cop say you can't be here. I said, well, I'm walking through.
Yeah.
I'm already here.
Just getting on through there.
I'm already here, so I'm getting through no matter what.
Man, I appreciate it, brother.
I appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir, man. Well, let them know where they can find you on social media, man.
Wolfho at YouTube, Wolfho309 at YouTube.
Okay, y'all be sure to subscribe to them and
I'll send it to you if it's wrong.
Yeah, send it to me, that way we can tag it right.
Long weekend.
What's the Custom Sounds, right?
Custom Sounds by Steve is this man on Facebook.
Okay.
TikTok. What else are we on? TikTok, Facebook, Instagram.
Okay, yeah, I try to tag the builder and everybody in it, man. I appreciate y'all, bro.
Yeah, I appreciate you. I got to open from the outside.
Okay.
You guys have a good day.
Y'all too, man.
I'm over here. Dancing in this bitch, walking Mike Jackson. President, when I'm over. Damn, are they? Are you well? Oh, I'm over here.
Good seeing y'all, man.
Yeah, thanks,
It's
man.
good seeing y'all, man. I see y'all again in the next one, bro.
Yeah, it's still subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? Ryan Show, appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.